Let's do this. Hi, and welcome back to my channel again. For today, I thought I'm gonna stop holding the scissors because I look like I'm gonna try to do something horrible, but it's just for unboxing purposes. Don't play with scissors. My cat is screaming outside. Is he still doing it? Yeah, he is. Hang on a second, let me go check on him. I apologize for that. My cat is a very verbal cat. Why he screams? I don't know. Probably asking for food, which I just fed it to him. Sometimes he screams after he had a good meal. I think he's trying to announce that it was a good meal. Yes, and that's Sky for you. Anyhow, it's been a month and a half since my first haul that I did on this channel, in the June haul. With that said, I thought I'll do another shopping haul. This is my August haul. Yeah. With today's haul, I bought some things from Missguided, Zara, and this one store. What's the name of the store? Where's my phone? Hang on. This one store, I will make sure to leave up the Instagram here for your reference. It's called Garota. This is the first time buying from them. Just like my last time, my first time purchased from Pretty Lavish. I always like to try out new stores. I'm looking forward to opening it. It's my first time buying from them. We'll see how the fit goes. We'll see how their quality goes. And then also one package from Revolve. Got a piece that's like on sale. I just thought it was cute. Okay, let's get the unboxing going. First up, we got Missguided. Missguided, I really like their casual items because they always have crazy sales. I love their pieces for like everyday wear and home wear. From Missguided this time, I mainly purchased t-shirts. As you can see, I love graphic tees. And they have a lot of cute graphic options. This is the first one I got. Has Prince Purple Rain. I actually got a medium on this because I wanted oversized. But yeah, I always, for t-shirts, I tend to buy oversized, and so I look at the call out of the fits. This one was called out as just regular sized, so I bought a size up. Next piece, another t-shirt, is called out as an oversized fit, and it's their Missguided times Playboy. So this is really oversized, which I like. Oh my god, it fits similar to what I'm wearing right now. Just basically tie-dye with a little Playboy logo here. Nothing too crazy. No, not like crazy graphics on this one, but I think the tie-dye kind of like ties it all in with when I wear it with jeans, and I think if you accessorize, it'd be cute. You can wear it at home as well as wear it out. And this last one, it's solid in the front and then with the graphic in the back. This one is in size small. I like how the graphics on the back instead of in the front. It's like cute. It says at the bottom, it says welcome to the jungle. And if you're old enough, you'll know where that reference is from. Okay. Now the next one we'll do this is the Revolve package. One piece that I bought was on sale, and I thought it was really cute. And this is the piece. It's a little satiny shirt with a tie front detail, crop length. I thought it was really cute. Like this one, I can layer it over a little cropped cami. Being in LA, we never get too cold, so these styles can still work. But yeah, I really like this. And the brand is Lovers and Friends. So that's my Lover and Friends from Revolve. Moving on, now it's the Zara package. I actually got stuff online, but if you saw my last vlog, we went to Century City, first time going back to the shopping mall since the pandemic. And I actually went into Zara and did a little bit of shopping too in person. It felt nice to be in the stores again. But yeah, other than just what I bought online, I also have a bag that, you know, I bought in the store. Let's go through the bag first. I think Zara is doing a collab with Disney, and I'm a huge Lion King fan. I got a Simba tee. It's oversized again, of course. Look, he's even on the back. He's so cute. And yeah, the front is like this. I can't wait to wear this when Disney is safe to revisit again. Then this is actually a men's denim shirt, and I actually shop at Zara Men a lot. I feel like they have better color palette sometimes. Plus, I love the oversized fit. So the men's line kind of give me that oversized look without me even having to try. Like size small will just, you know, fit me oversized. I really like how, like, you know, the oversized look with it. So that's my in-store Zara buy. Next up, my Zara Online buy. I'm a huge fan of Zara blazers. Obviously, I had to get this. I think it's like really trending for fall. It's a crop blazer, short sleeve, so cute. And it's also in that champagne color. I think I'm really into that color right now. This will look really cute just with some jeans and heels, even be worn as a top. It's so cute. I love it. Yeah, this is like so trending right now, because it was like, what, 20 bucks? I decided to give it a try. I wasn't sure in terms of how it'll look on me, but I did get the crop length because I feel like the crop length helps make me look less petite, like short. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, I got like a dusty, like a peach color, dusty peach crop tank with the shoulder pad look, which is really trending right now. To wear with obviously jeans. And I also got a simple white tank because I simply can't have enough of white tops. But yeah, it's just a basic tank top. It's 13 bucks. Last but not least, I lost my gold hoop earrings a while back, and I saw this pair on Zara Online, so I just bought these because I need to replace it. And I like how it's like slightly, you know, thicker in terms of the hoop, the size. I thought it would make a cute, you can never go wrong with gold hoops. I feel like every decade, no matter what season, hoop earrings. And now the last box, which I saved to the last, is the Garota box. Let's see where they're, oh, the warehouse is actually in LA, so I guess they're more based in LA, not based in Miami. Their name, Garota. Am I pronouncing it right? If I'm not, I'm so sorry. Oh, ta-da! I'm gonna put it next to me. First item that I purchased is a set, which I don't know if I would be wearing it as a set. I really like the top. That was what I was trying to get. This is the front. This is again that silky tone fabric, and it's a crop top and has a tie detail in the back, and it's semi-open back. And then I love this mint, like dusty mint color right now too. It's definitely trending. I don't have any of this mint, this like green tone. I'm not usually a green fan, but I think like this dusty mint color is really cute. And it comes with this mini skirt. The next thing is the pants. Yeah, I really wanted another pair of pants that wasn't denim. It's it's straight leg as well. Has a semi-higher waist and like a khaki, that canvas like fabric. I feel like when you wear these pants, it will look really cute when you wear a little stiletto or kind of like a heel with it. to add that feminine touch with a masculine piece. I think it's a good mix to have that. But yeah, this whole box is in green. I just realized I bought like everything green from them. But I'm kind of excited. I'm really excited about the top. The quality looks really good. I'm very happy with it. I'm glad. The pricing, I wouldn't say they're the cheapest because the set was at like I think 68 or something like that. But given the quality right now, I'm happy with my choice. Cool. And that is the haul for this time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment how you feel about how I did with this haul. Let me know if there's anything I can improve on since I'm so new to YouTube. Any suggestions is honestly very appreciated. I think this quarantine, if anything, has taught me to, you know, keep an open mind and try new things. So this is exactly what I'm doing, trying something new, doing something out of my comfort zone. Yeah, so any suggestions would be much appreciated. And if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and also hit the bell and make sure you're alerted when I post my next video. Thank you guys again. I'm wishing you a beautiful, beautiful week ahead. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.